Hi, and welcome to our Milkbar portable bottle warmer instructional video. Let's get to know your unit. Inside the box you'll find a warmer, charge cable, silicone seal and a dust cover. Pop your seal ring in place to ensure you have no leaks, and always make sure you use the dust cover when storing your warmer. The charging port is located at the back of the unit, and you should always ensure it is sealed when using the warmer. A quick press on the power button will show you the remaining battery life. A long press will turn the unit on. Quick press to select which temperature you would like, and then when you're finished, a long press will turn your unit off. To heat your liquid, ensure the seal is in place. Turn the unit upside down and screw in your bottle. Stand it upright and long press to turn on. Select the temperature by quick pressing the power button and leave to heat. Once it has reached temperature, turn the unit off and invert it again to unscrew your bottle. Before cleaning your warmer, ensure it is turned off, the steel has cooled and the charge port is sealed. Remove the seal ring and wash thoroughly with a cloth or soft sponge. Use a cloth or soft sponge to wipe away any milky residue. You can use Milton tablets to sterilise, or pop the unit into one of our UV sterilisers on a UV only cycle. Once it's dry, place your seal ring back in and pop on the dust cover so it's ready for use next time you need it.